हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण डिस्कस करूया महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6ची सायन्सची एक्सरसाइज चॅप्टर नंबर 15 फन विथ मॅग्नेट्स. तर आपण याची एक्सरसाइज पूर्ण डिस्कस करूया. जी दिली आहे ते विजिट महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड solution.com. Question number first. How will you do this? Question 1 is determine whether a material is magnetic or non-magnetic. Answer is to determine whether the material is magnetic or non-magnetic, a magnet is moved over it. If the material sticks to the magnet, this is called magnetic material. Third point, if the material does not stick to the magnet, it is non-magnetic. Question B. Explain that a magnet has a certain magnetic field. Answer B is the space around the magnet in which the magnetic force is active is called the magnetic field. Point 2. Place a white paper on drawing board and place a bar magnet in the middle of the paper. Spread the iron filling on the sheet and gently tap the sheet. The iron filling arranged around the magnet is defined curved lines forming a symmetric pattern. The lines are closer to each other near the poles and less crowded in the middle region around the magnet. Beyond a particular region, the iron fillings will not get attracted. The region where iron fillings are attracted is the magnetic field of the magnet. Question C. Find the north pole of the magnet. Take a bar magnet, tie a thread to the center of the bar magnet and hang it from stand. Note the direction in which the magnet settles and turn it around again. Allow it to settle and note the direction. The end of the magnet that points to the north is called the north pole, while the end of that point to the south is called the south pole. The north pole is indicated by N and the south pole is indicated by S. Which magnet will you use? Question second. Question A. Iron is to be separated from a trash. Answer is sharp and heavy iron scrap material is attached to a big disc. The disc is magnetic and all scrap is attracted to it. It is not possible to create store such a big size magnet. Therefore, magnetism is induced in the disc with the help of electricity. An electromagnet is used which is attracted to the crane for loading and unloading, transporting scrap and loose iron material from a trash. Question B. You are lost in a forest. If answer, if we are lost in a forest, we should take help of mariner's compass, which will help us to find the direction while traveling through unknown regions. If the marine compass is not available, a bar magnet when suspended in the center will rest in north-south direction. Question 3. A window shutter opens and shuts continuously in the wind. Answer. A bar magnet can be attached to the window plane so that the window will be closed tight during strong winds also. Question 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Question A is if a bar magnet is hung by a thread tied at its center, its north pole becomes steady in the direction of the pole of the earth. Fill in the blanks में चार में से ऑप्शन है नॉर्थ. Question B. If a bar magnet is cut into equal pieces by cutting it at right angle to its axis at two pieces, fill in the blanks. Bar magnets are formed and total of poles are formed. Answer is 3 and 6. Question C. There is a repulsion between, fill in the bracket, answer opposite. There is a repulsion between the opposite poles of the magnet and attracted between its like poles. Answer is like. इसका दिया है आंसर like opposite. There is a repulsion between the like poles and the magnet attracted between its opposite poles. Question D. When a magnetic material is taken close to the magnet, the material requires permanent magnetism, induced magnetism, temporary, and magnet keeper. What is the answer? This is induced magnetism. Question A. If a magnet attracts a piece of metal, that piece must be made up of. Answer is magnetic material or iron. A magnet remains steady in north-south direction. Answer is north-south. Write the answers in your words. Question A. How is electromagnet made? Answer. To make an electromagnet, we need the following apparatus. An iron nail of 10 cm length, 1 meter long, inserted copper wire, a battery cell, pins. Wind the copper wire around the nails. Connect the free ends of the wire to the terminal of the cell through a plug key. Third, close the key to complete the circuit. Bring small pins near the tip of the nail and observe. When the circuit is completed, the iron pins are attracted by the nails and hence they stick to the nail. When the circuit is broken, the pins fall off. A magnet is prepared by passing an electric current through an inserted wire wound around the iron nail. There is an electromagnet. When the current is allowed to pass, the nail becomes a magnet and attracts pins. Pins stick to it. When the current is put off, the nail does not behave as magnet and therefore pins fall off. The magnetism is temporary in the case of electromagnet. Question B. Write the properties of magnet. Answer. The magnet possesses following properties. Magnet always settle in the north-south direction. The magnetic force is concentrated at the two ends of the poles of a magnet. If the magnet divided into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. It means the poles of magnet cannot be separated from each other. A magnetic material acquires magnetism when placed near a magnet. This magnetism is called induced magnetism. There is repulsion between like poles of magnet while there is attraction between the opposite poles. Question C. What are the practical use of magnet? Answer is magnets are material to which object made from iron, nickel, cobalt are attracted. But man explored magnets and its properties can make his life comfortable. Permanent magnets are used in cap of pins holders, doors of fridge, doors of cupboards, etc. Temporary electromagnets are used in the electric bell circuit of various machines, ATM card swipe machine, MRI, magnetic resonance image, loudspeakers, electric trains, microphones, mariner's compass, etc.